Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kashalong Lajong FC kala job da Argo Lanot persya ia ka Jingïalehkai Rangdajied United FC haga sngi basau jong ka Jingïalehkai nang ka Group F jong ka Indian Oil Durand Cup ka ba Shispa Laipulai Hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo. Ki Paidbah ba it football jong ka Jalam anta ka sngi ka Shipho Tarik Unailar kilaya mi Paidbah kumba khat lai Hajar lai spa an reu puwaingot ban Sakhi ya ka ni ka Jingïalehkai padang kini ki arkan hon. Haba pai sya ka Jingïalehkai haga kala step Marsen sedang ka Jingïalehkai Marsen put u referee ya ka bisel ka Jingïalehkai kala long ka ba itanat bah haga minute ka ba arpu ar ka Shalong Lajong FC kala yo ban penki ningkong ya ka jar lengbau Roni Karbudon Rangdajied United FC kala persyang ban penpai hinrei kamsyam lala satya bat ka kala step kala syukut na da shigo lanot Habas sedang ka kelamit ka Rangdajied kalaya kunting ban yok penyakat nrei kamshim layok lat satya. Namar bawat hadin bakala yok penalty ru kamshim lalak ban tap ya ka gol bat kala shusep a. Baro arkan hon kilaya kunting ban yok penki jar biang nrei dei haka minit ka basau pupra. Haga corner kick ka Shalong Lajong kala yok ban penki ya ka jar lengbau Ken Star Karshong. Bat kala job ya ka Rangdajied United FC da Argo Lanot.
The curtains are raised. It is Shillong Lajong who take on Rangdajied United in a very lively Group F, live from the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Shillong. Well, it has been 10 years since we last saw the Shillong derby at the national stage. It was the I-League back in 2013-14. But first have a look at the lineups. Neto and on goal, the only change for Shillong Lajong, and the two captains here for the match toss. And this is the lineup of Rangdajied United, and we are underway and ready to get away with proceedings for another 90 minutes. And here is Shillong Lajong against Rangdajied in match number 26 in the Indian Oil Durand Cup. Very smooth in that movement. And here is Tremiki with a step over. Anichu lays it off. This might be a chance. He gets it back as well. A shot on target and collected well by Neto on goal. Ever Bright Sun has won a free kick, and set pieces are always a threat with Shillong Lajong as far as history is concerned.
That's how it can look at the push from behind. Oh, it just clips his feet from behind.
The captain with the free kick, Haduh Nongri delivers, missed on the first attempt, and Aman Alawat totally miscues that, and they might still win it back. And the battle on the right hand side, Kenster towards Haduh Nongri, a free header maybe, not cleared off the line, and Shillong Lajong have the lead. Not sure who got the final touch, but Shillong have the much needed lead in the derby fixture.
And this was a top ball which really missed out. Shot from the number 19 Aman went in, but look at that tackle once again from Ever Bright Sun. Then this ball coming in, goalkeeper not coming out from there. What a header that was. Did that ball move in? Was it an own goal? But Rory takes the credit of heading it in.
We will soon find who it was credited to, but the fans do not care. All they care about is their team having the lead, but the effort there to not give up on that challenge. Ever Bright Sun Sana winning it back, and Kenster's cross. Oh, wonderfully done by Rangdajied. Buam rolls it in the box, and Ever Bright Sun just wanted it a bit backwards, and that would have done the job. Oh, that's a giveaway. Rangdajied has found a pass. Ever Bright Sun, a confusion between the two, an open net and a goal line save. Blocked away by Denilson. What a moment. And Rangdajied cannot believe it.
What a wonderful moment once again. Look at that. Another defensive error. Very beautifully taken out. But Here was a shot and the defender does pretty well to save that.
He was looking to take it one way of the defender, go the other way. Goodness me, it is a penalty, and that is the last thing Shillong Lajong would have wanted. But Rangdajied will take it with open hands. Tremiki Lamurong from the spot against Nato, goes for the chip, hits the post, has a second attempt, and offside, says the official. Not sure about the decision.
That ball was just chipped to make the goalkeeper work, but it did not hit the target, it hit the upright. And when it came down, it was a pass over there, the header.
Does well in the back line, and that's won back by Frankie Buam in a very intriguing position. Buam cuts back, a good touch from Ever Brightson Sana, but once again off the line. That is top-notch defending, and it was up along, I believe, on the line. Hadinongpri, once again an in-swinging ball, a header on target, and Shillong Lajong have doubled the lead to start the second half. And the defenders contributing in attack, Kenster Kashong. And look at that, swinging in, dipping as well, just to the head of Kenster Kashong. But they'll have another chance at it. Frankie Buam from the right, dribbles past the defender with ease. Missed by Marcus Silva, but the shot saved. Or it was Frankie Buam in the box, rather the cross coming in from Kinsai Kongshit.
Talk about goals, you see how many players available, 1, 2, 3, but that strike from Guam really keeps that ball in the hands of the goalkeeper. Yes, I think they need Ward's hand. That was given to them in the form of a penalty in the first half, which they really squandered.
Figo Sindai's run, Rangdajied has found the pass, Frankie Buam! How has he missed the target? 9 out of 10 times, you would expect him to score from there, Frankie Buam. Their fans eagerly waiting. Pin Palang driving inside the box, goes for the tough attempt, but didn't get the curl and swerve on it straight to the keeper.
Yeah, brilliant. When talk about derbies, this cannot miss Mohun Bagan versus East Bengal. They have been terrific ones.
Frankie Buam from a narrow angle. He was looking for that side netting.
Nice, loves to spray the ball around. Technique is something that you want. These players have got that technique. The first touch has been brilliant always.
Oh, a shot from distance, and that was dipping and just missed the target by inches maybe if you look at the replay. And boy, Frankie Buam just cannot find the target.
It will be absolutely brilliant to see if this team can get into the next round.
Full time it is. Redemption for Shillong Lajong. They have claimed back the throne from Rangdajied. The Shillong Tabis bragging rights for the Reds. A convincing, dominating 2-0 victory. Ronnie Wilson and Kenster Kashong, the defenders rising to give Lajong this much needed victory, and they now have a chance to make it to the top 8 in the Touran Cup 2024. And tell you what, they are at top of Group F at the moment.
Ah!